Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen mirroring in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and scroll down and you will find smart mirroring. Just click on that. Now click on smart mirroring. And make sure that this button is enabled. And now turn on your TV or any other device that supports screen mirroring. And wait for a few minutes. It will scan your devices. Yes, my TV has been scanned and it will be connected to my TV. Yes, the mobile screen has been come into the my TV. So whatever do in your mobile screen, that will be reflected in your TV. I open a video here and it is also played in TV. And now I open a photo here that's also open in TV. See here, in this way you can easily do screen mirroring in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos, until then goodbye.